what another fun time at Battle with Primm. We started off dead last because we got a penalty for qualifying yesterday, so we had to work our way through the pack, and shame on me. But anyway, so we worked our way up and started a lot better today, obviously, and then I think we got second on limited truck. The 99 truck started in front of us, stayed there all day, and so anyway, good showing. Still a lot of carnage out here. It's just one of those races that people just go for it. So, but we did a lot better today. I was going to do better on the second day than the first day, and I just think Snor did a great job putting on this event, and look forward. I just did Rage and did this one, so having a blast with these guys. A lot of fun.